Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. When we think of core strength, images of sculpted abs and intense workouts often come to mind. However, there's a hidden yet crucial aspect of core strength that often gets overlooked: the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles, forming a hammock-like structure at the base of your pelvis, play a vital role in bladder control, sexual function, and overall pelvic stability. Kegel exercises, named after Dr. Arnold Kegel, are simple yet highly effective exercises that involve contracting and relaxing the pelvic floor muscles. They offer a wide range of benefits for men of all ages, from improving bladder control and preventing urinary incontinence to enhancing sexual performance and boosting overall well-being. The best part, they can be done anytime, anywhere, and no one will even know you're doing them. Get ready to unlock the power of Kegel exercises and experience the transformative benefits they offer for men's health. A man's guide, Kegel exercises might sound intimidating at first, but they are essentially about gaining conscious control over your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine these muscles as a sling supporting your bladder, rectum, and other pelvic organs. When these muscles are weak, you might experience issues like urine leakage, difficulty emptying your bladder, or even erectile dysfunction. Kegels work by strengthening these muscles, much like lifting weights strengthens your biceps. By regularly contracting and relaxing your pelvic floor muscles, you improve their tone, endurance, and overall function. This translates into better bladder control, improved sexual performance, and enhanced prostate health. Like any exercise regimen, consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but with dedication, you'll start noticing significant improvements. So, if you're ready to take control of your pelvic health, let's dive into the next section, where we'll guide you on how to locate and engage your pelvic floor muscles. It's a simple test. Before you begin performing Kegel exercises, it's crucial to identify the correct muscles. Many men, when first starting out, struggle to isolate their pelvic floor muscles. Don't worry, it's completely normal, and there are easy ways to find them. One of the simplest methods is to imagine you're trying to stop yourself from passing gas. The muscles you squeeze to hold it in are your pelvic floor muscles. Another way is to imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. It's important to note that you should not perform Kegels while actually urinating. Once you've identified your pelvic floor muscles, pay attention to the sensation of contraction and relaxation. You should feel a lifting sensation as you contract these muscles and a gentle release as you relax them. If you're still unsure, consult with your doctor or a physical therapist for personalized guidance. A step-by-step guide. Now that you've identified your pelvic floor muscles, let's move on to the actual Kegel exercise. The beauty of Kegels lies in their simplicity. You can perform them anywhere, anytime, and no special equipment is required. Find a comfortable position. You can do Kegels sitting, standing, or lying down. Contract your pelvic floor muscles. Squeeze as if you're stopping gas or urine. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Relax your pelvic floor muscles. Release and relax completely. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This is one set of Kegels. Section 5. Building your Kegel routine tips for consistency. Integrating Kegel exercises into your daily life doesn't have to be a chore. Here are some practical tips to help you build a consistent Kegel practice. Set reminders on your phone or use sticky notes as visual cues. Link Kegels to daily activities like brushing your teeth or watching TV. Start small and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Be patient and persistent. Results take time. Remember, Kegel exercises are a journey, not a destination. Section 6. Kegels in daily life, discreetly strengthening your pelvic floor. One of the best things about Kegel exercises is their versatility. You can do them anytime, anywhere, and no one will even know you're working out. Think about the times throughout your day when you're naturally stationary, sitting at your desk, commuting on the train, or even waiting for the coffee to brew. These pockets of time are perfect for sneaking in a few sets of Kegels. To make it even more seamless, try linking your Kegel exercises to a specific daily activity. This creates a natural reminder system and helps you stay consistent with your practice. By finding ways to seamlessly integrate them into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to a stronger, healthier pelvic floor. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Maximizing your Kegel effectiveness. While Kegel exercises are generally safe and easy to perform, there are a few common mistakes that can hinder your progress. Being aware of these pitfalls will help you maximize the effectiveness of your Kegel routine. One common mistake is engaging the wrong muscles. Many men, especially beginners, inadvertently contract their abdominal muscles, glutes or thighs, instead of isolating the pelvic floor. To ensure you're targeting the correct muscles, focus on the sensation of lifting and squeezing in your pelvic region. Another mistake is holding your breath during the exercises. Breathing is crucial for proper muscle function and relaxation. Make sure you're breathing normally throughout the entire Kegel exercise. Overexertion is another pitfall to avoid. Just like any other muscle group, your pelvic floor muscles need adequate rest and recovery time. If you experience any pain or discomfort during or after Kegel exercises, stop immediately and consult with your doctor or a physical therapist. Section 8. Kegels for bladder control, regaining urinary confidence. One of the most significant benefits of Kegel exercises for men is improved bladder control. Weak pelvic floor muscles can contribute to issues like urinary incontinence, a condition characterized by involuntary urine leakage. Kegel exercises work by strengthening the muscles that support the bladder, improving your ability to control the flow of urine. Regular Kegel practice can help prevent leaks, reduce urgency, and improve overall bladder control. This can be particularly beneficial for men who experience urinary incontinence after prostate surgery or those with age-related bladder weakness. In addition to strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, Kegel exercises also help improve bladder sensation. If you're struggling with bladder control issues, incorporating Kegel exercises into your daily routine can make a significant difference. With regular practice, you can regain urinary confidence and improve your overall quality of life. Section 9. Kegels and sexual health enhancing intimacy and performance. While often associated with bladder control, Kegel exercises offer a range of benefits for men's sexual health as well. A strong pelvic floor is essential for achieving and maintaining erections, delaying ejaculation, and enhancing overall sexual pleasure. Kegel exercises work by improving blood flow to the pelvic region, strengthening the muscles involved in erections, and enhancing control over ejaculation. Regular practice can lead to firmer, longer-lasting erections, increased sexual stamina, and more intense orgasms. For men experiencing erectile dysfunction, Kegel exercises can be a valuable tool in conjunction with other treatment options. Incorporating Kegel exercises into your daily routine can significantly impact your sexual health and overall well-being. It's a natural, drug-free way to enhance intimacy, boost confidence, and enjoy a more fulfilling sex life. Section 10. Beyond the basics, advanced Kegel techniques. Once you've mastered the basic Kegel exercise and have been practicing consistently for a while, you can explore some advanced techniques to further challenge your pelvic floor muscles. One such technique is called reverse Kegels. As the name suggests, this involves relaxing your pelvic floor muscles instead of contracting them. To perform a reverse Kegel, imagine you're trying to gently draw your pelvic floor muscles upwards. Hold the relaxation for a few seconds and then release. Reverse Kegels are excellent for improving flexibility and preventing muscle tightness in the pelvic region. Another advanced technique is to vary the duration and intensity of your Kegel contractions. Instead of holding each contraction for the same amount of time, try alternating between short, quick squeezes and longer, more sustained contractions. Remember, before attempting any advanced Kegel techniques, consult with your doctor or a physical therapist. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the power of Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises, often overlooked yet incredibly powerful, hold the key to unlocking a world of benefits for men's health. From improving bladder control and enhancing sexual performance to boosting overall well-being, the advantages of a strong pelvic floor are undeniable. By seamlessly integrating Kegel exercises into your daily routine, you're not just strengthening a muscle group, you're investing in your long-term health and vitality. Remember, consistency is key, but patience is paramount. Results take time and progress might seem gradual at first. Embrace the power of Kegel exercises and embark on a transformative journey towards a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.